Hello my good people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel today. In today's tutorial we are going to be looking and be evaluating this particular question on my board. The question said we should find the product of x minus 1 over s into bracket x plus 1 over s, also s squared plus 1 over s squared, x to the power 4 plus 1 over x4. If you see, the operation that exists between this bracket is multiplication. So now what are we going to do? I get me now. Actually, this is multiplication. Now the normal idea of multiplying this is maybe we take one bracket, we use it to multiply the other, then whatever we have multiplied it to the other and we multiply to the other. And I bet you that is going to be a lot of work to do. So therefore I will be teaching you telling you how we are going to solve this one without too much problem. I get it now. So I want you to follow me. You listen attentively and make sure you are here with your attention, your full attention, so that anything I'm going to be doing now, is not going to be outside the box, or it's not going to be something waste. So now therefore quickly let's go to see on how we are going to do. Now from here I have difference of 2 square. So this is the instrument we are going to be using. I get it now. So this is the instrument we use to to dissect everything, and we are going to arrive at the solution space. So now difference of 2 square, we know that, or we remember, if you recall, that a square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b. That is difference of 2 square. So therefore we are going to be using the idea here, I get it now, to solve this particular problem on this board. So now when we look at this now, the first thing we are going to do, we are going to pick what? We are going to pick this. Do you understand? So pick the true, the two brackets first. I get it now. And when you look at the true bracket, you can say that this can be A, this can be B, this can be A, and this can be B. I get it now. So now we try to relate that. Okay, we try to relate that to a difference of 2 square we have here. I get it now. And we are going to have what we are going to be having. We are going to be having s squared. We are going to be having s squared minus 1 over s to the power 2. Okay, into bracket. Okay, for that is what this 2 will give us. I get it now, because this is going to be s squared minus 1 over s squared. That is what the 2 is going to give us. Then let's try to write this one to copulate this also together. I have s squared plus 1 s squared plus 1 over s squared. So if you are following, you can see that this is what this is now. I've joined this to this one now, which is the third bracket. So therefore this is what we have here. So we are still going to use what? We are still going to use the difference of 2 square for this one also. So therefore this is going to be A, okay, and this is going to be B, using what? Using this difference of 2 square. Are you getting it now? So therefore what are we going to have? So we are going to have this. We are going to have s squared. We're going to be having s squared minus 1 over x squared into bracket what? Like this, because it's different of 2 square. So this is going to be x raised to power 4 minus 1 over x raised to power 4. Are you getting it now? So therefore we go further, by copulating that. Go further, you can see now from here, then we go from here now to this place now. I get it now, joining it with this. So therefore we want to join this with that. What we are going to have now, we are going to be having x raised to power 4, okay, minus 1 over x raised to power 4, then to the last bracket, which is what, x raised to power 4 plus 1 over x raised to power 4. I get it now. So we are going to be using this difference of 2 square also. So this is going to be x raised to power 4 all squared. I get it now. Then minus 1 over x raised to power 4 all squared. So this is going to be x to power 6 minus 1 to power what? 1 to power, now this is be 8 because multiplication, then 1 to power 8. And this is the solution to the problem. So we have the problem, we can simplify the problem to this, x to power 8 minus 1 over x to power 8. And that is the solution to that. You can see it's very simple. You can see the power of difference of 2 squared there. So now we use the difference of 2 squared in simplifying this. Now we arrive at x to power 8 minus 1 over x to power 8. Are you getting it now? So therefore, this is one of the NSAT question. It's very, very important, and it's tricky also. So that, please, if you find this class to be very interesting, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my class at all. I mean, you don't miss that. Please take care of yourself. Bye.